This look was achieved alone with just these 5 products. Hi everybody, today I'm going to be talking about and demonstrating the Lip Bar's Easy Beauty Tinted Bundle. So the Tinted Bundle includes these 5 products, and trust me when I say you only need these 5 products. So the first item I'm going to talk about is their 3-in-1 Tinted Skin Conditioner. It's a 3-in-1 because it's a sun protector with SPF 11. It's a complexion perfector because it does have hyaluronic acid. It is a skin moisturizer. Now as you can see, I have freckles along my cheeks here and on my nose. Other foundations are usually too cakey and they don't allow my freckles to show through. I was looking for a skin tint, and this one right here does the perfect job because it gives that natural finish and still allows my freckles to show, but then it also covers small imperfections that I have here because it's buildable. I love this as well because it has the squeeze applicator. Just dab it all along the skin. Now, as you can see, I didn't even put that much on the back of my hand at all, and just putting it on this one side of my face, there's a definite difference. However, you can still see my freckles. I actually put more than I normally would, just to kind of show you that it's buildable. As you can see, it gives the skin a super glowy finish, and I am obsessed because out in the sun, it would look absolutely flawless on the skin. The next product in the Tinted Bundle is going to be their Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer. This actually has caffeine in it, which combats dark eye circles and puffiness. It has the perfect little shape at the end just for you to go ahead and dab some dots under your eyes or along the bridge of your nose, wherever you feel you need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and then a couple of those blemishes as well. Another great thing about this product is apparently you don't need a setting powder on top of it. It's just self-setting. And that's pretty amazing because it saves you a step. The next item I'm gonna talk about is the Exact Arch Brow Pencil. Now this right here is the truth, let me tell you, okay? I was using a brow pencil from a different company and decided to try this one out, and now I will never look back. This one is infused with argan oil, and because of that, I think it makes all the difference. It easily glides and allows for an exact arch because of those oils. So I start out by using this spoolie brush and of course just brushing the brows up, and then really I just fill in the ends and draw some lines up in the front. Like, that glide is amazing. How quick was that? I'm telling you, I will never go back. This is my brow bestie for life. Now this right here is Chef's Kiss. Mwah. This includes everything you need. It's compact, easy to take on the go, vegan and cruelty-free, and it has your powder, your blush, your highlight, and of course your bronzer. You can wear this alone, you can wear this on top of the Tinted Skin Conditioner like I'm going to. Then I go in with the blush. You can even put a little on the nose if you want for that sun-kissed look. Then of course we live for the highlight. It's almost like a perfect combination. Like, you can see some champagne in there and then goldish. It's beautiful. I feel like it's a very universal color. Now I'm gonna take the powder and apply it all over the skin to really lock in everything else. Now these are amazing. They come in universal colors. I was so happy to get my hands on this. It's super pigmented as well. Each one that I've tried has a really nice pigment to it. See right there, you can already see a huge difference in color, and I barely added any to the lip. Like, look at that color. And there you have it. Only 5 products get you a full face of makeup with a very natural finish. And like I said, everything is buildable as well. Going back to the concealer, it just depends how much you want to apply and where you want to apply it. With the Skin Tint Conditioner, I can start by just applying one layer and then adding on more and more, as I showed you previously in the video. The brow pencil, all I needed was a few swipes in the front and then the ends to be darkened up a little bit. This is amazing. And again, you just can't go wrong with this, a 4-in-1. When we're busy, when you're on the go, the lip gloss is poppin'. It gives both color and shine. All of these amazing 5 products are a part of the Skin Tint Bundle, perfect for daytime summer looks as well as night looks because they're so buildable. These 5 products can also be used together or alone, separately, whatever is in your comfort zone. You can find these all on the Lip Bar's website as well as Target retail stores. Definitely get your hands on these.